Today on Easy Simple Gardening, we're going to show you how to fix a broken tomato cage without using any tools. This is an easy fix and costs almost nothing. All you need are a couple of zip ties and a wire hanger. Most tomato cages are flimsy and cheaply made and only cost around $3 to $8. There are two places tomato cages typically break: at the weld where the ring meets the leg, and at the weld where the ring is joined. For a cage damage where the ring meets the leg, simply put a zip tie diagonally across both the ring and the leg, bringing them together. For extra support, you could add another zip tie diagonally going the other way. This is going to be stronger than the actual weld itself, and cut off the ends with a pair of scissors. Zip ties are weatherproof and will last at least a couple seasons. And that's it, no tools. Now for a cage broken where the ring is joined, you'll need a wire hanger and side cutters or a pair of pliers. I picked up a pack of 5 hangers at the 99-cent store. You can also fix this part by hand, which I'll show you at the end of the video. First, disassemble the hanger. You can unravel this by hand, but I find it easier to just cut off the hook. Then follow the broken part of the cage to the nearest intersection where the ring meets the leg. Put one of the bent ends of the hanger up to this point. Bend the hanger tightly around diagonally 2 times. 1, 2. Use your side cutters to cut off the extra piece. This cut piece can be sharp, so use your pliers to bend it inward so that nobody gets cut. Next, bend the hanger in the shape of the ring and do the same to the other side. For added support, you could add a zip tie on each of the broken parts of the ring, and that's it. This is a very durable solution and will last throughout the lifetime of the cage. If you don't have side cutters, use pliers to grab it tightly on the spot you want to cut. Rock the pliers back and forth in opposite directions and it'll break right off. Now, if you don't have any tools at all, it's possible to do this by hand. To do this by hand, bend the hanger around the intersection in opposite directions, once this way and once this way. Then bend the hanger back and forth several times in opposite directions and the hanger will eventually break. Be careful of the broken end because it could be sharp. If you've never done this before, I suggest wearing gloves. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.